forest.
That's spooky. Let's explore. Next stop, frightful forest.
I don't know, Buster. Those clouds look really dark. What if it rains?
Relax, Scout. It's not gonna rain. Come on, Bumper Bunch. Let's move. I've never been here before. Maybe there are monsters here. Or a secret treasure.
Buster, wait up. We'll get lost.
Diggly, relax. I'm a bus, remember? I know where I'm going.
Guys, I don't like this place.
Ash, relax.
Don't worry. According to my calculations, the chances of a storm are... It's really loud. I don't like it. Oh, lightning is very dangerous and we're made of metal.
Nobody panic! Nobody panic!
Buster, what do we do?
Guys, relax.
We can't relax. It's pouring with rain.
We need to get home now. I can find the way. I think.
Whoa, forked lightning.
Not now, Diggly. It's so wet. I can't see where I'm going.
No, I'm out of charge.
Nobody gets left behind. Come on, Scout. We'll push you.
It's a river.
The path has flooded. We're trapped.
What if we sink or rust?
We can get across. If we go together, we'll be strong enough. We can do this. Bumper Bunch, let's move.
I am a brave adventurer.
Come on, let's get out of here.
We made it! Thanks to you, Buster.
Sorry I led us into the rain, but we made it back together. Well done, everyone. I'm going to be the fastest bus in the whole wide world. Next stop, the moon.
According to my calculations, Buster, the rip-roaring rockstar rocket will make you turbo-fast. Just a few more adjustments. Oh, come on, Diggly, let's go! Ready, steady... Whoa!
Whoa!
Painting the wall.
Sorry, Mr. Rubble.
Oh, no, 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 no. I'm stuck.
Don't panic, Buster. I know where the key card is. I think.
Help! Get me out!
It's okay, guys. I found the key card. Oh, no!
No, this is awful. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad.
Hey, give it back! Oh, this is a disaster! Don't panic! Don't panic! Don't panic!
Guys, stop! You're scaring him. You need to slow down. We need to take a breath and think. If we can't get to the bird, maybe we can make the bird come to us.
Oh.
Whoop, 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 whoop. Thanks, little Robin Dude. Bye-bye, little buddy.
Hey! What are you little tire skidders playing at?
Mr. Rubble, slow down!
I'm trapped! I'm trapped! Get me out! No! No! No!
It's okay, Mr. Rubble. We can get you out.
Just need to take it slow. Next stop, ice cream.
Roll up, roll up! Time to try the new ice cream car wash on this hot, sunny day. All exciting flavors!
So many flavours. I want to try them all.
Not so fast, Buster! Only one ice cream per vehicle per day. Those are the rules.
Huh?
But it's so hot.
No buts, Bandit. Now, skedaddle.
Why does Mr. Rubble always ruin the fun?
If only we could sneak past him.
Wait, Bandit. I've got a brilliant idea.
Mr. Rubble, come look at this. There's a cloud in the shape of a forklift. It looks just like you.
What? Where?
Look, it's up there. Look.
That's where I'm looking, but I can't see it.
To the left and the right.
Well, where then?
Mr. Rubble, do you even know what a cloud is? Bandit, let's go. Oh well, my mistake. Bye.
What? Hey! Stop right there!
Run, run, run!
Come back here, you little tire skidders!
This way.
What? No, this way.
That's a dead end down there. Oh? Huh?
Run!
Stop this flim-flammery.
Shortcut!
Ice cream avalanche! Ew.
Buster, Bandit, why did you take all this ice cream?
I'm sorry. We just wanted to try all the flavours.
And we were so hot.
This ice cream was for everyone to share. Taking it for yourselves wasn't a nice thing to do. But you know, all these flavors melted together taste pretty good. Maybe you'd like to share it with your friends?
Roll up, roll up! Get your rainbow ice cream here! All the flavours in just one scoop!
And suddenly, I found myself in the Wild West. And that's how I got my hat. The mark of a real cowboy.
Whoa! I want to be a cowboy!
I really want that hat.
Patience. A true cowboy also takes their time. Whoa! My hat!
Don't panic! Sheriff Buster is on the trail! Yee-haw! Next stop, cowboy hat!
Skid marks. I need that hat.
You leave that hat alone, partner!
But I need it. I can't be a real cowboy without a cowboy hat. That's mine!
That's not yours, Bandit!
I need it!
Stop! You'll break it.
Oh! Follow me, Ash. Huh? A cactus garden? That's not on my map. Cactuses don't frighten Sheriff Buster.
Wait, Buster. That's not allowed. You'll get a flat tire.
But I have to get Monty's hat now.
Remember what Monty said?
A true cowboy also takes their time.
Out of the way, slow coaches! Ow! Help?
Aha!
Ouch!
Ow!
I'm sorry. I really wanted the hat so I could be a true cowboy, like Monty.
No, it takes more than a hat to make a true cowboy, Bandit.
A true cowboy takes their time, right, Monty?
That's right, you really are a true cowboy. I think you've earned a cowboy hat. And I think Bandit could use a tow to the garage. Saddle him up, cowboy.
Yee-haw!
Thanks, guys. Ouch!
Da-da-da-da! Come on, Bumper Bunch, let's move. This way to the Zip Zoom racetrack.
Whoa! Watch out for Speedy Scouts. Slow down, Buster.
Whoa!
What is it, Buster?
It's not on my map. It must be brand new.
Interesting. It's some kind of colour car wash. Whoa! Check this out!
Yes, yes, yes! That's awesome, Scout. We can all be different colours. Let's go, go, go!
I don't know, guys. Maybe we should just go back to the racetrack.
Relax, Ash. We'll go racing later. This is going to be such a fun adventure. This car wash is the best thing ever.
Oh, Buster! Let's make this go even faster.
Yes, yes, yes.
Buster, are you sure we should do that? Oh, come on, Ash. Don't be such a slow coach.
Diggly, how do we make it faster?
Budge over, Buster. Push this, pull that, punch this, and there! Turbocharge!
Littering.
Oops.
We're gonna be in so much trouble!
Ash, you are a genius.
A what?
We can use your hose to clean all this up. Bumper Bunch, let's go!
What's all this then? What mischief and flim-flammery is going on here?
Hey, Mr. Rubble. How are you?
We were just, speeding to the racetrack. Nothing interesting here. No paint explosions at all.
That's a nice hat. Is it new?
There's something funny going on here. I feel it in my hubcaps. Nobody can trick Mr. Rubble. Nobody. I can sense mischief.
Mr. Rubble,